Don't mind the hair, guys. Another video. So I got a package, right? Let me see. Let me take this off. Woo! Pretty big. Oh, man, they're pretty big. So I needed some new shocks and struts. Well, pretty much the shocks for my charger. So I got the fronts, and then the rears should be in the next section over here. You can't really see it, but it's dark. I'm trying to see if I can take this off. But let me pull this one out. Put them on the floor real quick. You know, you gotta have the damping excuse me, the damping suspension system, guys. Give me a second here, let me grab this other one out. Let me pause it for a moment. Alright, let me see if I can, now I can take this off. I just got them last week on Wednesday. I paid for them on Wednesday or Thursday. Got it for $400. Shipping was $125. But they're used off of a 2012 SRT Chrysler. I was gonna buy some new ones, but I was looking at from dealership prices, so on Mopar website stores. I was looking at about $2,000, and plus shipping was like $100 to $200 more, so about $2,200 for brand new shipping. But I don't know if you guys see them. They look pretty good for being used. This Chrysler had 53k miles on it, 53,000 miles on it. They have from Cleveland Performance. They had a SRT that they were partying out, and they're gonna sell the engine as a turn pallet key. The Chrysler did not look too damaged when I saw pictures. It was just the front end, so nothing on the suspension was wear out. But yeah, so replacing the SRT with some new ones. I'll have another video of me putting all this on the new charger. Not on the new charger, on my charger. What is it, rear-wheel drive right here? That's weird. Oh, it just means because the front, and then. But I'm gonna look up all those part numbers, and then just to make sure. But yeah, I'm glad that I got them in. Since I'll be going out of Texas, I'm gonna, should make my ride a little smooth. And luckily, all I gotta do is I don't have to take this off. I just have to, well, you know what? I don't know, the suspension is the same height on the Chrysler and the Charger. So, I don't know. I would have to see when I take one out and put them next to each other with the spring and see. But shout out to Cleveland Performance, though. Check them out, guys. Check them out. But remember, if you have the damping system, it's very important to have this, because you see a lot of them without this piece. You'll just see this. No, that's not what you're getting, guys. Those are just basic models. They ain't got no option to be able to go sports, track, motor, normal. This is some damping system. This is some some better shizness here. But yeah, they look pretty good, guys. Not really beat up. I'm pretty sure they cleaned them and everything, but overall, I mean, it looks fine to me. Alright, so please subscribe and like. So